It's my birthday and I cry if I want to. I cry if I want to. I cry if I want to. Yes, happy birthday to me and happy birthday to you, because I am giving thanks to the Lord for being blessed with a wonderful support system that I have here on YouTube. So being that said, let's just jump into this video, and you might want to stay to the end because you don't want to miss some information I'm about to share with you guys. So let's start with first things first. What are we here for? For a wig unit review. And no, it is not on the one that I'm wearing right now. So if you're interested on this one that I'm wearing, I am going to try to get the link to the video that I already reviewed this one on and put it in the description box below so you can watch it and get information about it. So being that said, let's just jump into this video, okay? Okay guys, so the wig that I'm about to review is from the company called BESHE, I don't know. But it's this company right there. I picked it up in my local beauty supply store. I believe I paid $39.99 for it. But yeah, it's a BESHE company. It claims to be, well, it don't claim to be. It is a deep part lace and softer Swiss lace. That's what it claims to be. Also, it is ear to ear. I already cut it out because I wore it for my son's graduation. So I am sorry I can't come in here and show you how the lace look. But all I can tell you is that it was a very soft lace, so I was happy with that. Now, they claim to be the new softer, rip-resistant lace and more comfortable. It says it right here. Also, this is the lady lace. It is curling iron safe up to 400 Fahrenheit degrees. And again, I already said that it's a sweet lace deep part. The model is wearing the color F4/forward number 30. And the style that I picked up, it is the LLSP hyphen named Fanny. They also have the RT2/forward honey blonde. No, I'm sorry. That is the style that I picked up. It is the LLSPN hyphen Fanny. And the color is number RT2/forward honey blonde. And this is a root tip, okay? Also, they have a bunch of colors to choose from. They have 1B, 2, 4, F1B/forward 30, F4/forward 27. They have a bunch, really. They really have a bunch. Now, what I like about this wig, when I bought it, is the package, which is the, the plastic bag and all that goody stuff. I'm gonna place this right here. But also, it tells you how to wear the lace wig. Has the instruction on how to wear it right here. And I'm sorry, guys. Let me put it in this side. See if you guys can see right here. Also, it tells you how to remove the lace wig, which is kind of cool down here. And it also tells you how to handle all of your new lace wigs. So not only does it tell you how to put it on, take it off, it also told you how to handle it. So that was cool to receive this information in this package. Also, they improved the softness and flexibility of the wig. That's what they claim. I never owned this wig before, so I cannot tell the difference, or will be able to tell you the difference. But it says it molds to your head better, more comfortable on your forehead, rip resistant and secure fit with combs. So I am just gonna, also in the cards, they tell you how to wash and care instruction. So again, how to put it on, how to take it off, how to handle the wig, how to take care of it too. So that was kind of cool. Again, this is how she looks. Now, I'm gonna push back and I'm just gonna show you her right here. This is the style right here. Ain't she gorgeous? I like that it has that two-tone right here. You go that ombre type of look. So you have the honey blonde right here and then the dark rose right here. I love it. I love this style, those BESHE wave curls. And then when you turn it around, this is how she looks in the back. Very pretty, very pretty. I will put it on in a moment, but I want you to take a look on how she looks. Out of the package, this is exactly how she looked. When I put it on, all I did was actually cut the lace off. Nothing to it. I didn't tweeze it. I didn't do nothing. Just cut the lace and just put it on because I was in a rush to go to my son's graduation. So this is how she looks. When I came home, I took it off and I put it directly back into the package. So this is how she really comes out of the package. Now I'm gonna take it off the head mannequin, and I'm gonna show you the construction of it. So it has this breathable cap, which I like, and this is the lace part. As you can see, it's really deep. Has 2 combs right there. It has adjustable straps in each size, and then I have a comb in the navel area. So yeah, and you know, this is how wide the lace, and again, this ear to ear. So these are the ear tabs, so ear to ear lace. And again, I cut it, I'm sorry. I just want to show you how the lace part looks. Very naturally. I could have twisted it, but to be honest, I didn't have to do nothing to it because it was wide enough for me. I know some people like to make the parting a little bit wider. I don't. I like to keep it a little bit more natural kind of way. You know, that's an opinion on myself. This is how I like it. This is how probably I will be doing my parting if I had long hair. Again, that's what I like. I told you everything I love. I love the color. I love the texture. It does kind of shed a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. As I'm going like this, you guys can see I took some hairs off, but not too much. Not something that, you know, you have to be like, oh my God, whatever, you know, I hate this wig or something like that. So it does shed a little bit when you run your fingers through it, but not a lot. So after like your, I don't know, first, second, I'm gonna say third time that you rub your fingers through it, it stops shedding. So that's a good thing for me. I hate wigs that sheds, and because you guys know, as you guys can see me, I'm always switching the hair off my face. I love a wig with a band, but it does bother me after a while in my face, so I hate it when it sheds. You know, what else can I tell you about it? Again, I love that ombre look, the waves and everything. Now, what I don't like, it claimed to be, let me go back to the cars. It claimed to be that it molds to your head better. Now, again, I don't have another wig like this one prior to before they did the modifications on it for me to say, you know, oh, it does fit better than the ones before. I don't have it, so I cannot tell you that. But I can tell you is compared to other wigs that I wear, this one is a little bit big-headed. So if you are a big-headed friendly person, then this is the wig for you. If you got small hair like me, you know, you're gonna have to adjust the strap accordingly to your tightness of your liking. Another thing that I didn't like is that even though it's ear to ear and you have your ear tabs, again, it's big-headed friendly. So the ear tabs kind of touch my ear. I like to do this to my wig sometimes, you know, when I'm able to, that they have lace. I cannot do it with this one. Another thing is that I do not like what's constructed, because not only is it for a bigger head, but it doesn't fit right to me in the middle, because the ear tabs, when I put it in the middle, it seems to me that it wasn't constructed right. And I'm gonna give you an idea. I am gonna come back and I am going to show you what I'm talking about, okay? And I'm gonna tell you what I like and what I don't like. So for starters, I don't like the fact that they threaded the whole thread through the whole strap thing, and I can only strap it to 3 here and to 2 here. So in order to make it tight to my head, I will have to make a knot on the straps, and yeah, that's one thing I don't like. Another thing I don't like is that I have to like tighten it up really good to make it fit. Not only is it's a pain to do so, because after a while, if you put it too tight or the straps are tight in a knot and then you tighten it in the number you want, kind of after a while gives you a little headache. So yeah, it doesn't fit comfortably to me because I am a small-headed lady. Another thing I don't like is the ear tabs. I think even if it would have been a small-headed friendly cap for the ladies, the ear top itself, I kind of like made too wide. I don't know if I can tell, but by showing you this, but they're a little bit too wide, so they kind of land in top of my ears. Now, when I wear this, right now I have one cap on. I have like about 3 inches, like my hair is like that small, like that length right here. And even with that being that small, I'm having problems to put the wig on. So after a while, I start slicing, sliding back if I don't have it secure with the got to be glue, or I don't have it tight enough. Some of the wigs that I wear, I can put it on and I don't have to put like got to be glue, and I don't have to tighten it up. They just stay. This one I have a little problem with that, so I have to wear 2 wig cap in order to make that happen. Another thing I don't like, what else? Yeah, the fact that I cannot put this lace in the middle, even though I had it on the mannequin, towards the middle right here. I cannot put it towards the middle compared to other wigs. Normally when I put it in the middle, the ear tabs falls in the right place. Like, they don't be too far from each other, from the ear, like this one is right here. This is the ear top, and this is the space between my ear and the ear top. And then I have it, and then I have it all the way up here on top of my ear. So the other wigs that I have that have the same part, same way, the way that it's constructed, you are able to put it in the middle if you want. So that's the only downside about this one. So I will have to only wear it this way. Plus, I love the style. I love the cut. I love the ombre look. I love the beachy wave. Yeah, I just love it. Other than that, I love it. Again, perfect wig for big-headed, friendly ladies out there. For me, I just gotta struggle a little bit, but I make it happen and I put it on. Another thing is, I wish I could do this, because guys, if I was able to put this wig in the middle, put it in the middle, don't it look pretty? Let me know in the comment section below if it doesn't look nice, this style, this color, if it would have been in the middle. I think it rocks. It really is nice to have it in the middle. So I cannot do that. That's the only downside. So let's put it back where it belongs. And again, I'm gonna get her name just in case you guys missed it. BESHE is the company name, and this is how she looks. Can't beat it. And I'm just gonna give a little announcement. Thank you to all of you for your love and support. And just because of that, I am gonna come and do another video, and in that video I am gonna show a winner. Yeah, it's an unannounced giveaway, because I don't want nobody to take away your chances to come in here and just subscribe for the giveaway and then bounce later on. I want you guys to be part of this giveaway without nobody knowing. They just want to take advantage. So being that said, don't try to subscribe to win this, because this is already done. I will come back with a video. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna show it today or tomorrow. I already have it set up. I already got the video set up, because I already did the video for the winner by all the subscribers I have in my channel right now. So the day that you are watching this, if you just subscribe, you are not inside of that video, okay? The moment this video is going live in YouTube and you subscribe, you are not entered into this giveaway, because this was already done. So being that said, you have to stick around for other future giveaways. So this beautiful purse, gorgeous. Not only would you be getting that, I gotta take away this stuff inside first. Okay, let me go. I know I'm taking a lot of your time, guys, but it's worth it. This beautiful bag is really wide and big, as you guys can see. It has a strap, so you can, carry around if you want to. It has pockets in the middle. Pockets right here, so you can put stuff on and stuff. It's pretty wide. Navy blue. It has a pocket in the back. Not only are you getting that, but you will also get the matching inside wallet. Okay, that also comes with a little strap if you want to carry the wallet by itself, just like this. Not only are you getting that, so I hope you have a watch that fits this. But you get a matching. I did a review on this before. I reviewed it. I got another one. So not only are you getting a strap watch, so you can put on your watch and match your purse. You are getting a clip-on ring light that I did a product review a while ago. I went and got another one, so yep, you'll be getting that. So that is the giveaway. Already done. So if you want to know who's the winner, you have to stay tuned to the next video. Okay? Bye.